Hello everyone, I'm Sonam Sandhu from PTE Made Easy, and in this session we are going to focus on a particular template for respond to a situation. And trust me, with the help of this template you can easily score well in your respond to a situation task. I know you all were searching for this particular template, but I'm going to tell you the truth because that's what I believe in. There is no point of sharing anything which is not true on the social media platform. So the point is, if you are thinking that for respond to a situation, if you have a fixed template or if you have a single template and that same template can be used for every single question of respond to a situation, it is not possible. It is going to be a lie if I say this, that this particular template can be used in every single question. It cannot happen. Because what happens in respond to a situation task, we have so many different situations. And for every other situation, we have to modify the template a little bit. So that's what you have to do. Now, what exactly happens here? In respond to a situation, we have this particular question. Okay, you are going to get the description and that will be of somewhere around 60 words, prompt length of somewhere around 60 words. So you should go through the description thoroughly, and before and for the same you're going to get 20 seconds. Okay, so go through the description thoroughly, think about your response, write down the template onto a piece of paper, basically erasable booklet only, and then you get 40 seconds to speak. But now, before you get the time to speak, there will be an audio as well. Okay, so you are going to listen to the audio. After the audio finishes, then also you get 20 seconds to prepare. So in total, you are getting 40 seconds to prepare along with the time when the audio is getting played. So you have ample amount of time to prepare this particular answer. Now, what happens in this, listening and speaking skills are getting assessed because first of all, you are listening to the audio and then you are speaking up the answer. So, two skills are getting assessed. Now, time to answer is 40 seconds, and everything I'm telling you here has been taken from Pearson PTC. So, you need not to worry about the authenticity of what I am explaining in this video. You are in your office on Monday morning and your manager asks you whether you can send her the sales report she asked for by Wednesday. So she's saying, can you send it early? She earlier asked you to send the report by Wednesday, but is it possible to share the report earlier? You would like extra time to finish it because the sales team can't send you the figures until tomorrow. Okay, so they're going to send it until tomorrow, a day later than you expected. What would you say to your colleague? Now you have to speak up to your colleague and you're going to listen to the audio. Okay, so on the basis of the audio and on the basis of the prompt, you're going to prepare the answer. Now here in this task, appropriacy, fluency and pronunciation, these three things or these three criteria are being assessed. So please take care of this. You can simply say, hi Mike, I'm afraid it would not be possible to finish it by Wednesday evening as the final report sheet by sales team has not yet been received by me and they need one more day for submission. Kindly allow some extra time to me. I'll certainly submit it by Thursday noon. I hope you understand. Thank you for the cooperation. So you are speaking it up. You are talking to your colleague. So you are going to take his name. Now this is the sample answer. I'm going to share the template now for which you have been waiting for. So here we have the template. Hi Mike, I understand that we are going to discuss. Okay, I understand that we are going to discuss regarding the submission of the final report. Okay, we can say this. I understand that we are going to discuss regarding the submission of the final report. Firstly, I would like to state that we are going to write that the sales team, I would like to state that the sales team has not submitted the final report until now. Okay, besides this, we should deal with, instead of we should deal with, besides this, they need one more day for the final submission. Okay, they need one more day for submission. If possible, please notify all the team members about this, or if possible, kindly allow me one more day to submit you the final file. Next, we will talk about this and this. Now, I hope you understand. We are not going to write this one. We'll simply remove this particular sentence because that's what I told you. We are going to speak up as per the demand of the question. We are going to answer, we are going to use the template as per the demand of the question. So what is the question demanding? The question is demanding that we have to answer something related to the submission of the sales report or submission of the file, but we cannot submit it because the sales report will be received by us by tomorrow, until tomorrow Tuesday morning. So we have to answer it accordingly and we can simply remove this. It is not about speaking for 40 seconds. It is always about quality over quantity, and I have explained the same in the previous video of mine. If you do not know, you can go and check that video. Apart from this, I have this PT full course also available on our channel. You can simply check that. I'm going to share the link on the end screen. Now, last but not least, when we are using this particular template for the question which we have just discussed, we are going to remove this particular sentence. Next, we will talk about, and we'll simply end it with, conclude it with, this would be extremely beneficial. So that's what we have to do. This is what we are going to discuss, and some other points are going to come in the audio and we can add those points in the keywords number 7 and 8 because we had less ideas because we did not listen to any audio. But when you're going to listen to the audios, you'll have so many ideas, and the same can be incorporated wherever there is written keywords 5 and 6, keywords 3 and 4, the same can be done. So this is the template of respond to a situation, guys. I know not many websites are currently providing you the option of getting the respond to a situation and email writing corrected. Okay, so you can simply contact us on the numbers given below. Our educators are going to help you in the same. I am going to help you in the same, and we'll just go through your answers. We'll explain you where exactly you are facing problem in. We'll also get rid of the weak areas by working as a team. Okay, so you have to give your 100%. I'll give my 110%. I can guarantee you are going to get your desired scores. So that's all for today's session. I'm going to see you in the upcoming session. And if you want me to create a video on some other topic, simply let me know in the comment section. Until then, bye bye and sat sri akal.